This is really difficult and painful. Believe me, I know, especially for you. But I think if we all just put our cards on the table now, we'll be able to move forward together. I'd hate to have to take it here, but if I'm being honest, I just want different things now. Let's call a spade a spade. You're not getting any younger, and you're definitely not keeping up with the times. And I'm not saying that you've let yourself go, but you're kind of round. I mean, look at Arges. And now look at you. Arges. You. Do you know what I see when I look at you? Blind spots. And I'm not saying I have to do all the work. Oh, who am I kidding? Yes, I am. Have to move or tilt or twist to spin you? Don't worry, Omid will take care of it like he always does. And the less we say about your lack of situational awareness, the better. I think it would just be best if we make a clean break and go our own separate ways.
Look, nothing lasts forever. We've come so far.
This is the future, and it's time for you to go. Look, Unity, you've had a great run. You've been around forever, but at some point, you gotta step down.
What the hell is going on?
Oh, hey Rick, how's it going? Oh, I'm just talking to Arges and Unity.
You're talking to the spotlights?
Well, when I can get a word in edgewise.
Uh-huh.
Have you not heard these two? When they get going, yeesh. No offense, guys.
Oh, sure. We all speak to spotlights, Omid.
Well, I'm glad I'm not the only one.
Oh, no, of course not. Sometimes you just gotta talk to the lights. Anywhoosies, I'm gonna let you guys hash this out. I'm gonna go.
Okay, all right, thanks, Rick. Anyways, where were we? Well, Arges, I don't know how to break this to you, but they're saying you're ugly.